Guess what? Look what came in the mail today. It's Flower Nose, which means unboxing time. Before I put it on my table to do the actual unboxing, I have to open this box first. Let's get a knife. Gotta be careful. Oh my. I am so excited. Let's move to my desk. Today's unboxing is going to be an ethereal experience. Of course, I have to dress up for the occasion. As you can see, I even have wings. Let's first unbox another Flower Nose product, a hand mirror from the Swan Ballet series. I kind of collect hand mirrors, but not a lot. I like the ones with the vintage style. I didn't want anything else other than the hand mirror. So I purchased it separately from a local shop, Flower Nose Cambodia. I'll drop the links to their Instagram and TikTok accounts for my Cambodian viewers. Just in case you're interested, do check them out. Alrighty, let's unbox. Ooh, I got a card. Dear Yuki Hannah, thank you so much for your purchase and support. We wish you the best. That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Flower Nose Cambodia. Wish you all the best too. It goes without saying that I chose a creamy pink. Look at the design! So gorgeous! It has ballet elements engraved, beautiful swan, and the ballerinas. So pretty, I love it. Next is the freebie I got for purchasing Flower Nose shoulder bag. It's so cute. Love it. Okay, I like to get a freebie blush too. Shade 02 Romanticism. Pretty design. The famous twin swan design of the series and a dancing ballerina. There's actually a representation of that on their website. Look how lovely and intricate the embossed one does. It is said to have a powdery texture that is creamy and light, but I don't want to ruin the print, so I'm not swatching. Alright, let's now move on to the highlight of today's unboxing. The little angel. So, I get the smaller gift set, which I believe is only available on Taobao. This set is called the Little Angel Series Carol Gift Box, and I chose the Gilded Afterglow Angel set. Anyway, the reason why I chose this set is because of what's included. There are two combos. So combo 1, you get a blush, lipstick, eyeshadow, perfume, and highlighter. Combo 2, you get a blush, 2 lippies, eyeshadow, and highlighter. I don't need 2 lippies, and I want to try their perfume. There are other sets too, especially the Little Angel All-In Gift Set. The one with the complete products. It's with 43 items with a portable makeup case or box. Time I checked on Taobao, it was 30% off. The price was $256 without the shipping fee yet. So probably plus $10 or $15 shipping fee from China to Cambodia. I can already imagine how heavy the parcel will be, just the makeup box was with all the items inside. And is $799 on their global website, including the shipping fee. That's twice as expensive. Okay, let me see if it's available on Taobao. I have a feeling it's already sold out. Yeah, okay, let's now unbox. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let's start with this one. Pedestal Cup. Ooh, it's made of glass, so it's quite heavy. Freebies on top. We have a perfume sample, scent Fire Girl. This scent is a lovely mix of floral and fruity notes. Kind of create a fresh and sophisticated aroma, but not too sweet. Next we have 2 powder puffs for applying blush and highlighter. So cute and fluffy. Another mini powder puff, finger cushion powder puff. This is used for applying cream blush. I'd probably use this for foundation too. The hair clip. I got the creamy pink. Look at the cute little angels. It's quite heavy. Let me put it on. Next is the perfume, Maria's Anthem. Gee, look at the little angel sculpture. It has a crown and cradling a burning heart. Just look at the details and symbolism in the design too. So beautiful. The scent is a blend of fruity, floral, and woody notes with a touch of musk and amber. Next, we have Hydrating Lip Mask. It's a crystal clear lip gloss texture. Let me put it on my lips. It melts quickly and non-sticky. Next we have Little Angel Collection Matte Lipstick. Shade C06 Lyric Poetry. Wow. The print design is inspired by medieval Gothic architecture. Railing has gilded angels, rose windows, and pointed arches. On the website, it says it's a black camellia shade. Let me try. Oh. What do you think? Does it? Next, we have the cream blush, the 05 Fingertip Teller. It's so pretty. The design is based on the distinctive rose windows seen in medieval architecture. You can also see the detailed, colorful stained glass, 3 little angels around it. I didn't get the pink packaging, the moonlight rays, because it wasn't included in the combo with the perfume. This is beautifully embossed. So the little angel holding a heart. Oh! Similar to the perfume cap sculpture, cradling a burning sacred heart. It's a sandy nude shade. The low saturation color is ideal for daily makeup. Okay, next we have Flower Nose Little Angel Collection Embossed Highlighter. Wow, another stunning and intricate design. Looky! The design is again inspired by medieval rose windows and ancient mythology. Look at the angels praying for the prism-like stained glass. It's holographic. LO3 Chanting Anthem. So magical. It's like holding a piece of art in my hands. It's very shimmery. Next we have the blush brush. Very soft bristles. This can be used for cream blushes and powders. Not too sure with foundation. Flower Nose Little Angel Collection 9 color eyeshadow palette 01 Eden's Angel. Wow. The shape of the case is reminiscent of cathedral stained glass. The way sunlight filters through the rose window is just stunning. And look at the reflection of various colors under the light. You see that? Exquisite craftsmanship. Neutral colors for daily makeup. And the last but not the least, the hand mirror. Okay, for this one I wish I had an option to choose the color. So there are 3 colors: Polar Day, white, Polar Night, black, and Afterglow, creamy pink. However, both combos had a Polar Day shade. So pretty! I love the delicate rose window inspiration. Look. It also features the shattered stained glass design and angel relief carvings. And since I didn't get the Afterglow hand mirror, ta-da! Oops, upside down. Ta-da! I purchased it separately. I couldn't help myself. Now I have 2 hand mirrors. I love the pink one. I also like the name, Afterglow. Ooh, there's one more here. Another perfume sample. Maria's Anthem. I like the sample size. It's easy to carry around. So cute. And that's all. I'm pretty satisfied with my purchases. You may have already noticed throughout the video, I have nothing but praises for the packaging of each product. I also enjoy describing every detail. However, regarding the quality of the makeup, I can't say much yet because I didn't swatch. Well, except for the lippy, I kinda like the lippy. And this is my first time buying Flower Nose products. I'll try them in the next video where I'll do a cosplay makeup or a creative makeup look. Please look forward to it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!